How to fix game failed to save error code 0 on Sims 4. So if you want to fix game failed to save error code on Sims 4, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply close the game. For that you need to press Alt plus F4 and your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix, then you need to go with the second solution, which is you need to delete the cache files. You need to navigate to the documents folder and then go with the electronic arts and then Sims 4 and go and select cache. After that, you need to go and delete. You need to delete the cache files. If that doesn't work, then the third solution is to back up and create a new saves folder. Move your saves folder from the documents to your desktop. Start the game to create a new saves folder and check if the game is now working correctly. Sometimes outdated custom content or broken mods frequently trigger error code 0. So you need to move your mods folder to your desktop and delete local thumbcache.package and test. If that doesn't work, then repair the game. Open the EA app or Steam, right click on the Sims 4 and then select repair. Or if you're having the problem for your console like your PlayStation or Xbox, then delete the old saved inventories. After that, power cycle, which is shut down your console completely, unplug the power cord for 2 minutes and plug it back in and restart. In this way, your problem might be fixed. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.